Hi, hi, hi. I am Helen Terry, member of the Nia training faculty, and I love when I get so excited about preparing for my lesson that I forget to eat, and actually I'm probably late for dinner. It's like when I was a kid out playing and maybe getting into trouble, but this is for me is how we can be so fascinated and in the joy about the body. So here I am preparing for our Nia 5 Stages class and the Nia Classic class, where we're going to be focusing and going a little bit more deeper into the psoas muscle. The psoas muscle is the muscle that connects the top of the body to the bottom. It's also the muscle that connects the back of the body, the very lower thoracic vertebrae, and the lumbar vertebrae here, coming all the way through to the top of like our thigh bone right up in here. Yeah. And so it's an amazing deep core muscle that is really connecting with everything in the body. I've got a fun slideshow we're going to be doing in the Nia 5 Stages class. And here you can see on my screen how we have, here we are dancing in class. And then this gives you a little of a visual of the psoas muscle, how it connects where your ribs end, that's the bottom of your thoracic vertebrae, and coming down through to the very top of your thigh bones here. So just seeing how when we're dancing in Nia, how the psoas muscle is connecting top, bottom, front, back, and everything in between. And then in class, the focus is psoas and sound, really sensing the vibration of the music and how that is having an effect in the body. But also when we begin to use sounding ourselves, how like the A, E, I, O, U sound and the vibration in the tissues. I like the expression, the issues are in the tissue. And when we begin to move and connect with music and sound, all of those things together connect a wonderful vibrational healing experience. So this is another shot of showing how that psoas muscle connects the back to the front. And in Nia 5 Stages, how in embryonic we're on our back, and then we go into creeping, and you can see that the position's then flipped. Then we go into standing and walking, and this shows how the psoas is vertical. And then this gives you a sense of the psoas really being this center messenger of the body, and how it is literally the sound and vibration is moving out from that center. This is giving a more of an idea. If you wanted to get deep into and find your psoas, it would be to get your hand right in where your ribs are here and having a sense in on your thigh. And this visual really shows how everything in the body is connected, and the psoas is that center connection. It's also directly connected to this nerve called the vagal or vagus nerve, which is directly in relationship to our reflexes and responses. So in class, we're playing with focusing on psoas and sound. I do a Nia 5 Stages class for an hour, which is more of an understanding of the anatomy. We go deeper into what I shared here. And then we move through the Nia 5 Stages. So you get this symbol and sound of the Nia 5 movements: embryonic, creeping, crawling, standing, walking. You cognitively learn a little bit more about this beautiful, curious muscle in the body and how you move with it and how we can help hydrate the soft connective tissue. And there is this beautiful way of learning by listening, looking, and also imagining. So we're using both sides of the brain. And that is like a primer class that then prepares you for the dance. So the Nia dance we do on Saturdays at 10 a.m. It's like, okay, we can embody this focus of psoas and sound into fabulous choreography. And this week we are playing with the choreography from Global Unity, a classic, amazing Nia routine. And I'm adapting the moves from Global Unity into music that has something to do with vibration and soul. So a fun and funky playlist, classic Nia moves, and all together having a fabulous time going deeper in our understanding and our dance with the psoas. I hope you can join me. Feel free to email me if you would like the Zoom link. These classes are online and they're also available with a 24-hour replay. So be sure to just let me know how I can help more. Be well, enjoy. Hope to see you on the dance floor.